Hi everyone. Today we'll try to understand how we can convert from UTC time to EDT time, or let's say New York time, or let's say any other time for that matter. Okay, so let's get into it. So here we are in the scenario builder. Now let's try to add a module. Choose module, tools. Okay, I want to set multiple variables. Set multiple variables. Okay, where UTC time now. I want the UTC time now. How do I get that? Just go here and just say now. So this will give me the current time in UTC. Okay, let's click on add there and click OK. And let's try to run this module only. And if you see here, you'll get the current time in UTC 5:16. So let's double check that. Yeah, 5:16 is the current time in UTC. Perfect. Now I want to convert from this UTC time now to EDT time, or let's say New York time. How do you do that? Let's add another variable, add item. Let's say where EDT time now. Okay, now let's say format date. That's the function that you need to use, format date. Okay, and then input date format is the first parameter. Okay, second parameter would be the output date format. Okay, output date format. Okay, and the last parameter should be the time zone. I want it in EDT time zone. EDT time zone. So I'll be using EDT there, or I'll give you the exact format of that. Okay, just click on add here. Click OK. Save it. Now let's try to come up with a format here. So I want it in this particular format. Okay, this is my output format that I want. Okay, so 2017. So that is year. So YYYY hyphen month would be hyphen date should be DD. Okay, followed by you have a time delimiter. So let's say T. Then what is the time? 0 to is the time, right? So the time should be hours first. So HH will give you hours in 24 hours format. Okay, then next would be minutes, colon, next would be seconds, SS. Okay, and then followed by Z is a literal character. So let's use square brackets here, Z. Okay, I think this should be fine, right? 000. Yep. I think this should be fine. So this is the output format. I want this in that format. So now let's try to formulate this function. Input date would be the current time in UTC, right? So here we are. Just let's select now. So this will give me the current time in UTC, and the output date format, output date and time format should be this one, what we have formulated now. Control V here. And finally, the time zone. Okay, so you need to give the time zone in a specific format. Okay, and that format would be America slash new underscore York. Okay, I'll tell you how I got this. Okay, as of now, let's try to save it and let's try to run it. Okay, run this module only here. Okay, hopefully it should work. Here we are. If you see here, the EDT time is 1:19:25. Let's try to see that EDT time 1:19. Perfect. So I got the answer. Okay, now how did I get that particular format? America slash new underscore York, right? How did I get that? America slash new underscore York. How did I get that? So you need to go to this particular Wikipedia page here. So I'll give you the link of this page. And if you search for New York, okay, so here it is. So you can see the format here. And if I want it in India time, let's say, so let's search for Asia Calcutta, right? So this is the India format, right? So if I want to convert it into India format, we can also do that. So let's try this actually. So let's change it to India, UTC to India time. Okay, let's save it. Let's run this module only. Okay, now if you see this, the current time in India is 10:50. Okay, I know that because I'm in India. Okay, um, that's perfect. So that's how you convert from UTC time to EDT time or New York time or any other time for that matter. You have all the formats here, so you can use these formats to convert it into your um, time format. Okay, I hope this was useful. You have a great day.